Hello students, now we will continue this topic triangles and today we will start part 8 and this part 8 is very interesting. Here we will do the Pythagoras theorem. We will do prove the Pythagoras theorem and related some questions we will do today. Look here, this is a Pythagoras theorem. Here we have to prove in a right triangle the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of other two sides. Hypotenuse, we know hypotenuse is opposite to the 90 degree. Okay, and here hypotenuse, we can see this diagram. ABC is a right angle at B. This is right angle at B, and we have to prove this hypotenuse for this triangle ABC is AC. So we have to prove AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. It is given hypotenuse is equal to sum of squares of other two sides. We will draw here BD, that is perpendicular to AC, and now we will do the proof. Here we have to use the similar triangles rules and then only we can do here. Now we draw perpendicular, so this angle is 90 degree, and here we can check in triangle ABD and triangle ABC. ABD and ABC, this whole triangle we can check here. Here we can see angle A is common, so we can write angle A equal to angle A. This is common, and angle, this is BDA, and here is angle ABC. Both is 90 degree. So by AA similar triangle rules, we can say triangle ABD is similar to, look here, A is equal to A, so we write first A and A. Okay, A and A equal. Next angle D is 90 degree, and here is B. Look here, D is 90 degree and here is B 90 degree. So B and D are equal, so we write here B. So here remaining angle is C, so we write here ABD is equal to ACB. We have to write the corresponding, means angle A equal to angle A, angle D equal to angle B. Now look here, by RCPST we can write here that here we write AB upon, if we write AB here, we write here AC, and then we will write here AD. AD we write, then we write here AB. Okay, now we do the cross product. We get here AB square equal to AC into AD. This is equation 1. Similarly, we can say triangle, look here, this triangle is BDC is similar to triangle. Look here, if we take BDC and this whole ABC, C is common, so C and C is equal. Next here is D angle and here is B angle is equal, and remaining is A, so we write here BDC is triangle is similar to triangle ABC, and angle D is 90 degree and here is angle B 90 degree. Angle C and angle C is common. So by RCPST, the BC, if we write here BC, then we have to write here AC. If we write here DC, then we write BC. So if we cross multiply, we get here BC square equal to AC into DC, and this is equation number 2. Look here, by first equation we get here AB square. AB square we get AD into AC, and in the second equation we get BC square. This BC square equal to DC into AC we get, and these two equations we get. And now by equation 1 and 2 we will add this. We will add, because you can check here AB square and BC square we have to add. So we get here AB square plus BC square equal to AC into AD, and plus AC into DC. Now we can check in diagram. Look here, first we take AC common, so we get AD plus DC. Okay, and AC is here, we can check AC is here, and AD plus DC is also AC. So AC into AC, look here, AC we have AD plus DC we have AC. So AC into AC is we get AC square. So we have AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. This only we have to prove here. So hence prove we can write. Look here, converse of Pythagoras theorem. In a triangle, if the square of one side is equal to the sum of squares of other two sides, then the angle opposite the first side is right angle. This is a converse of Pythagoras theorem. And look here, this triangle is given ABC. Here we take AC square, means square of one side we take AC square, and that is equal to sum of squares of other two sides. We can write here AB square and plus BC square. And look here, the opposite to the first side, opposite to first side means opposite to AC, we have this angle B equal to 90 degree. This we have to prove here. So look here, this proof is not in your board this year, only you have to read this converse of Pythagoras theorem. In a given figure, if AD is perpendicular to BC, this AD is perpendicular to BC, we have to prove that AB square means square of this AB, and CD is this side, equal to BD square plus AC square. Here how we can prove? Look here, we can write in proof. First we try in triangle ADB. This triangle is ADB. Here angle D equal to 90 degree. So by Pythagoras theorem, we can write here opposite to D angle is AB. So we can write here AB square equal to BD square and plus AD square. This is equation 1. Same as it is, we write in triangle ADC. Here angle D is 90 degree. Opposite to 90 is AC, and AC is a hypotenuse here. So we can write here AC square equal to AD square and CD square plus CD square. We can write this is equation 2 square. Now look here, we have to subtract these AB square, and we get minus AC square equal to BD square and minus CD square. AD square will cancel. Now in question AB and CD we have, so CD we can transfer, we get AB square plus CD square equal to BD square, and AC we transfer, we get here AC square. So all of you understand this, we have to prove here. If 7 cm, 24 cm, 25 cm are the sides of triangle, then check it is a right triangle or not. Write the length of hypotenuse. Look here, longest side is 25 cm. So we write here the hypotenuse, this may be 25 cm. One side we take perpendicular, that is 7 cm, and second side we take base as a 24 cm. The longest side will be always the hypotenuse. Now we use the Pythagoras theorem here. Pythagoras theorem is hypotenuse square equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Hypotenuse is 25 cm whole square. Perpendicular we can write 7 cm whole square, and base we write 24 cm whole square. 25 cm square means we get 625 cm square. 7 7 is 49 cm square, and this is 576 cm square. This we can add, we get here 625 cm square. Both is equal, means we can write it is a right angled triangle. and hypotenuse is equal to 25 centimeter. All of understand? We will suppose here starting that hypotenuse is 25 and we will confirm here it is a true, means it is a right angle triangle and hypotenuse is 25 and opposite to hypotenuse will be 90 degree here. PQR is a triangle, right angle at P. This angle P is 90 degree and M is a point on QR. M is point on QR such that PM is perpendicular to QR. This PM is perpendicular to QR means these angles are 90 degree. We have to show PM square. PM square means this, okay, equal to QM. QM is this side and MR means this side. Okay. So look here. Here we can write first in proof. We can write in triangle QMP and triangle PQR. In these two triangles we can check angle Q equal to angle Q. This is common. Okay, and here look here angle M and here angle P. This is 90 degree. By AA similar triangle property, these triangles are similar. Triangle first we will take here PQR. Okay, and look here, this Q and Q are equal. Q is middle, so we write here Q middle, and here is P and here is M, so we can write here M. Look here, M, Q and P. This P we write here. Now we have this is equation 1. Here in similarly we can say triangle, this whole triangle, one side is PQR and look here, R angle is same here, common. So R and R position is last, so we can write last. Here is angle, look here, P is a 90 degree and in small we have M is a 90 degree. So P is first, so M will be first. Now look here, M, R and P. So P is remaining, so we can write here P. Means we can write here MPR triangle is similar to triangle PQR. Now by 1 and 2. By 1 and 2. Look here, this PQR is similar, same as it is. So we can write triangle MQP is similar to triangle MPR. All you understand? Now look here, we not to take PQ and PR. We have to take PM and these, so we can write here MQ. We can write MQ upon we write MP. Okay, equal to we can write here MP. We can write here. And here we write, if we write MP means MR we have to write. Okay, now this we cross multiply, we get here MP square equal to MQ into MR. And what we have to prove? PM square. PM means we can write MP square and PM square is same, and Q and MQ is same, and MR is same. Okay, so we get this PM square equal to QM into MR. So this only we have to prove here. ABC is an isosceles triangle, right angle at C. This right angle at C. Prove that AB square means this, equal to 2AC square. Look here it is given, we can write in solution, it is given ABC is an isosceles triangle, and it is given isosceles means AC equal to CB we can write. Now look here, angle C equal to 90 degree. So by Pythagoras theorem we can write here is AB square equal to AC square plus CB square. Now by equation 1 put we want here AC, CB we not want, so place of CB we can write here AC. So we write here AB square equal to AC square plus Place of CB we write AC, so we write here AC square. Now AB square and AC square is equal to 2 times, so we write 2 AC square, and this only we have to prove. We can check this. We have to prove this part only. Look here, ABC is an isosceles triangle with AC equal to BC. If AB square equal to 2AC square, prove that ABC is a right triangle. Here this we will do the proof. Here ABC is an isosceles triangle, and we can write triangle ABC, and here is given AC equal to BC. This is equation 1, and second is given that AB square equal to 2AC square. This is given. So look here, we can write here AB square equal to AC square plus AC square, and place of 1 AC put by equation 1. Place of 1 AC we can write BC, so this is AB square equal to AC square plus place of AC we write BC, so this is a BC square. So we will get here, look here, AB square equal to AC square plus BC square. So by converse of Pythagoras theorem, triangle ACB is a right angled triangle, and here angle C opposite to AB is angle C. Angle C is 90 degree. All of you understand this? This is a very important question. Question 4 is ABC is an equilateral triangle of side 2A. Find each of its altitude. Look here, if, this is the equilateral triangle and each side is 2A, so we can write here AB equal to BC equal to AC. This is equal to 2A, and here AM is perpendicular to BC. AM is perpendicular to BC, and this AM bisect BC also. So we can write here BM is equal to half of BC, and BC is equal to 2A. So 2 cancel and we get A. So this size is A and this is 2A. We have to find the altitude. Altitude is here AM. So we can write in triangle AMB. Angle BM is 90 degrees. So by Pythagoras theorem we can write here hypotenuse is here AB. So we can write here AB square equal to BM square and plus AM square. Okay. AB is here 2A, so we can write 2A whole square. BM is here A, so we can write A square and AM square. This 2 square is here 4A square, and this minus A square we can write this is AM square, and here this implies that AM square equal to 3A square and AM will be equal to root 3 and A. This altitude will be equal to, so we can write here answer altitude equal to root 3A. All of you understand this? This is a very simple and very important.